Myself Shubham Kale. I am from third year computer engineering student. Today group is here PHPM project. For this project our guide is Professor Omkar Wadne sir. He guided throughout, take it to completion, and our group consists is three people, which is Shubham Kale, second is Sandeep Katke, and third one is Papun Pata. So today I am here present PHP micro project. Our micro project name is Develop Web Application Employee Pay Management System. First of all, introduction. Payroll application has been designed for the purpose of maintaining details of salary such as various allowances and dedication that needs to be given to employee of the organization. Also generates salary sheet of the employees organization that assist the account department of many ways. This payroll system also take care about the strategy requirement is GPF, CPF and income tax. According to governmental rules, the system gives different kinds of reports which required to payroll and administration. And payroll management system is minimizes the work loaded involved maintaining your employees overall account is reduce human efforts and helps in maintaining errors free employee record. Next point covered Papun Pata.
Shubham. Now let's see features. Payroll management software gives you the power to manage employee information efficiently, define the emergent declaration, leave, tax, etc., create its own salary structure and formula, generate pay slip at the convenience of a mouse click, generate and manage the payroll process according to the salary structure assigned to the employer, generate all the reports related to branch, department, employee, attendance, leave, payroll, bonus, etc. Let's see advantage. First, it's cost effective as the user control the web application himself and does not go for professional service. Second, it saves time as it speed of every aspect of the employee, database management and payroll process with a range of automated features. Third, it is secure as the employee database and payroll process is managed by the admin in-house rather than sending private information to a third party. Fourth, validating producers and check registered users for making mistakes. Fifth, the software is easy to use and is user friendly, so no express is required. Six, the calculations are automatic, so no chance of error. Now, next we'll explain Sandeep Katke.
Okay, Bapun. The next point is disadvantages. The first one is it requires a internet connection, and the second one is it requires a large database. The next one is future scope. The first scope is the option is to print the record in future. The first point is I intend to add a level structure in the future. The second option is I would like to implement a regular backup mechanism to backup up the employee database to avoid disasters. And the second scope is the system can be developed in such a way that is existing features can be modified to the better version. Thank you.